What's up guys, welcome to another episode of our Blokees series, and on this video we are going to build another one that was purchased from our someone we know. And this one, it is also another Constructicons, and he is called Scavenger. So let's go ahead and start building, and let's go. If you are not yet familiar with Constructicons, Constructicons is a group of Decepticon that is what we call like construction machines that is serving the Decepticons. So they are when they are combined, they build the massive titan or massive robot called Devastator. So this one, the first one that we have built, it's Bone Crusher, and for this one, Scavenger, he is a different Constructicon. So let's go ahead and let's start building. Let's go. Okay, so we got our Scavenger here, and just so you know, Scavenger is a core member of our Constructicons, and he is a specialized Decepticon. Constructicon is a specialized Decepticon subgroup known for their mechanical and engineering construction skills and ability to combine. And like I've mentioned, it's their combination would be Devastator. So like his teammate Bone Crusher, the previous one, Scavenger appears in G1 as well. His job is to excavate, locate the raw materials for the Decepticons heavy engineering project. So more likely he's the one surveying the area for their Decepticon base. And his excavator bucket features advanced multispectral sensors. This one, it has multispectral sensors that can track magnetic, ionic, and chemical signatures underground. So this is the one that they use to look for energon source. And yeah, so his form, he is an excavator, but we don't have the form yet. But we are looking forward in the future getting his vehicle form. So for now, let's keep it as it is. And this is our build for today. It's Scavenger, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on our latest episodes. And that's it for today. See you guys next time. Peace.